Hey guys, it's Sandman and this is Ghost from Delta One Airsoft, and today we're gonna do unboxing of a mystery box.
Easter.
So yeah, Easter mystery box. So let's get to it. You got a knife, Ghost?
Yeah.
Flipping it Delta style. Okay, let's open it. Take this one up pretty good. Oops. Hope I didn't damage anything on the inside. Okay, guys. Alright. Here's your knife post. Okay, order form.
Yeah. Paper, some papers. Alright, let's see what we got.
Let's see what we got in here. Go ahead, Ghost.
Alright, first, got some green gas. Very nice.
Can of green gas.
Good
Good for our guns.
Oh, this
M9 mag.
Oh.
That's good for me. I got my M9.
M4, M16 mag, wind up. Very nice.
Okay, that's good for either of us.
Here we have a 9.6.
That's okay, guys.
9.6 volt. Oh crap. Can you get it?
We got some P4 silicone oil lube.
He said lube.
What an idiot.
Got some gloves here, very nice. What up? Patch, America.
Alright, a bungee sling.
Nice.
This is actually a nice one.
Yeah.
I have one, but Ghost doesn't, so I guess he'll get this.
Thank you.
And last but not least, a .2 bag of biodegradable Matrix BBs.
Very nice.
Very
and,
nice. Kind of low on BBs, so.
That's it. That's mine. Alright, Delta One. Subscribe.
Don't forget our sponsor,
Armory.